Hey everyone, Itai from RTL Master. Today I'll show you how to use our new feature, the translator and the auto translator, which let you translate all of your store. If until now you could translate all of your theme text, now you can translate everything: product, blog posts, titles, and basically everything in your store to be a fully multilingual store using RTL Master. Um, let's do a quick overview of how it works, and we'll do a few ones for example. All right, so first of all, I want to look at my default languages. At the moment, my default language is Arabic. All right, this is an example Arabic shoe store, and I want to add English so I can sell globally. So in that case, I will keep using Arabic as my default language, but I will add English as my second language. So if I go to the Shopify admin from here, manage languages, I can see that I added already the English. You can add any other language, and it will be added as an unpublished language, and we can edit it and we can preview it, but we don't have to publish it yet. So only when we're ready and we finished doing our thing, we will publish the language, and it will be available for the customers as well. So let's go back. I can see my published, my unpublished language, and the next thing I want to do is start translating. So if I have this title or I have this product, I want to start giving them names in English. So to do that, I'll start with the manual translator, which is a better way if you want to have full control on your translations and not using a machine-based translations. I recommend normally to use the auto translator, and then if you want to fix some stuff, use the manual, but we'll start just to learn with the manual one. So let's see, for example, I will go to product. I will want to start translating my product. Let's just do the first two products. And I can start translating my text to the second language. I'm translating to English at the moment, from Arabic to English. So even in the manual translation, we added an option to use the automatic one by one. Here's, for example. So this will be a Dr. Martens, and this will be the description, and you can use also meta title or meta description. If you set it a different ones in the Shopify admin, you can for SEO reasons also have the English version or the second language version of that. And this is the next product. So we did this one first. Now we're moving to this one. As you can see, I am using the automatic translation, but I do it one by one in case I wanna change, or I'm not super happy with the automatic translations. So let's save this one. All right, and let's have a look from the languages. We'll do a preview to see how it looks in English. So if now this is in Arabic, I want to see how it will look in English. All right, so you see that those translations have been changed. So that's basically how it works. And if now we just given a small example of the product. All right, so let's refresh and see how it looks in English. You see that the URL is now with the English, and we can see that the auto translator translated all of the text to the language we chose. So now it's all in English. Every text that you can look at from Arabic to English I think we missed one, and that's because we didn't translate all of the terms yet in the automatic translator, but we'll get to it. So that's basically how it works. You should not work too hard. The auto translator should do it all for you. And if you want, for example, to change only specific one, let's say I'm not super happy with how it translated the navigation, I can go back to the manual translator and choose the navigation and rewrite translations that I'm not happy with, like this one, for example. And once I'll go back and I'll refresh, it will take 1 second. I guess this is working with the Shopify backend servers. Alright. So yeah, it takes 10 to 15 seconds till it updates. But I can use the manual translator to choose which specific term I want to change again. Let's just use now, let's publish our new language, and we will also need to add to our theme the option to let our customers choose which language they want to use. So alright, we see that's how it looks, and we will publish the English language because now we're happy with it. And next thing we're gonna do is going to the online store, and we are going to we'll use the customizer. So we will add to our footer. In most of the theme you can find it in the footer or in the header or both. They have a pre-made language selector. Like here you see the language selector is enabled now, and it's in Arabic, so I don't even need to enable it, it was already enabled. So let's have a look. Alright, now we are watching as the URL is the regular URL, we are watching the theme just the way it is. And this is in Arabic, but if we want to change to English, we can easily choose here and see that all the text were changed. Another thing that we should use if we're using this feature, let's just use the normal RTL. Available in the editor. And we'll also add the RTL LTR switch, so it will show the correct layout for the correct language. Alright, so as you can see, we are now using the English language, and the store is from left to right. And once we will change to Arabic, the store is now from right to left. Because we toggled the multi-language RTL-LTR switch to give the best experience for your customers while browsing your Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. We saw the translator, we saw how we configure and decide our default languages, how we use the manual translator, and how do we use the auto translator to quickly translate our Shopify store to any other language while keeping RTL, if it's Hebrew or Arabic, in mind. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to me or to the support, and I hope this video helped you.